In this video, we're going to decide what graph we would use for a particular problem. So if we have a problem like this one that says, what type of graph would you use to show a large set of data like someone's test scores? And you could see all the test scores here. So 92, 96, 102, 115, and it goes on, okay? Let's count how many numbers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 numbers. So what's the best way to show this data? A stem and leaf plot, a line graph, a circle graph, or a pictograph? A stem and leaf plot would be the best here. Stem and leaf plots are the best at showing numbers in large data sets arranged by place value. So here we have a large data set, and we could break these down in terms of place value. So in a stem and leaf plot, it would look like this. We would take a look at the first variable and the next two variables. So we could see that the numbers are divided up into in the 90s, in the hundreds, and in the 110s, okay? So here we could have 9, 10, and 11, and then we have to figure out how many have the 9 in front, and you put those in order. So there's this one, 91. This is the one here. Here's 92. Here's the 2. And then we have 96 here. Here's the 6 for that. And here's the 9. There's the 9 for that. For the ones that start with 10, so here we put the 2 here, and we have 3 of them that are 103. So here's 1, 2, 3. And then we have one that's 108 and 109. So here's 108, here's 109. And you do the same thing for the 11. So there's 111. Here's 11 and 1. That's 111. And then 11 and 3. That's 11 and 3. That's 113. Then we have 115, which is here, 115, and then 117. So it's important to note the stems and the leaves must be arranged in order from least to greatest. And in a stem and leaf plot, we usually have a key, and the key tells us what it means. So here, the brown 9 and the green 6 separated by this line equals 96, which is here. So similarly, if we have the 10 and then a 2, that means 102. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, check out the description. There's links to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. You can also download the ebook. In the ebook, this exact lesson is in there, so you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.